What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to another workout. Today we're going to be doing some upper body, arms and back. I've got 6 exercises picked out for us. You're going to need your dumbbells, so go ahead and grab those. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into this workout. Alright guys, starting off with around the worlds. For this exercise, bring your dumbbells into your hand. Starting at the waistline, let your arms dangle and then bring them up over your head. You want to stay controlled, keep your back nice and flat and engage your core. We've got 3 sets of 10. Let's get it, guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, make sure you're not using dumbbells that are too heavy for you. You don't want to hurt yourself or strain any of your back muscles trying to push them up there. So pick a comfortable weight, keep your form good, keep your back nice and flat. We've got 2 more sets. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. All right, moving into set 3. This is our last 10. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into curl presses. For this exercise, let your arms down by your sides and then we're going to pick them up, stop at the shoulders and then press them to the sky. Make sure you're keeping your back nice and flat and engaging your core on this one as well. I like to breathe when I push my arms up towards the ceiling, so like a like really get those dumbbells up there, push them up high and exhale. And you can use heavier dumbbells for this exercise because of the motions. We've got 3 sets of 10. Let's get it, guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, make sure you're keeping your body nice and straight and having good form. When you pull your dumbbells up to your shoulders, try not to rock your body. Tighten your core and tuck your butt in so that your back's not arched. You don't want to hurt yourself, you guys, especially if you're lifting heavy. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. All right, moving into set 3. This is our last 10, you guys. Keep good form and let's finish this set. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Next up, we have high pulls. For this exercise, bring the dumbbells out in front of your quads, pull them up to your chest, and from your chest, you want to push them out to the sides of you. So opening up the chest, pushing the dumbbells off to the side of you, move nice and slowly, and then push them back down, and we're gonna continue the motion. We've got 3 sets of 10. Let's get it, guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, make sure you're keeping your back nice and straight, engaging that core, tucking in your butt. Let's keep that back nice and flat, you guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 3, this is our last 10, you guys. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a full 10-second break. Moving into front raises. For this exercise, you're gonna bring one dumbbell into both of your hands, bring it in front of your quads, and then pull it up to about right above your chest. Then from here, go ahead and lower it back down. Make sure that you tuck in your butt so you can keep your back nice and straight. Flex your core so you can stabilize yourself, and choose a heavier weight if you have one available. This is a great exercise for your shoulders as well as your arms. We've got 3 sets of 10. Let's get it, guys. Great job. Give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, make sure you're going nice and slow, steady movements so you can keep good form. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. All right, guys, this is our last set, last 10. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving down to the mat, we're going to do tricep extensions. For this exercise, bring your dumbbells into each of your hands, lie flat on your back, bring your arms up above you, and then lower them down towards your face. From here, you're going to push them back up. When you push them back up towards the sky, move nice and slow so that the weight of the dumbbells pushes down on your muscles and you have that resistance. The whole goal is to move nice and steady so that you can create resistance and grow the muscle. We've got 3 sets of 10. If you can, use a heavier weight. If it's too heavy for you, pick something that's comfortable. You don't want one of these dumbbells to fall on your face. Be careful, guys. Let's get it. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, if you're having trouble stabilizing your dumbbells or keeping them nice and steady, just move slow or take it down a notch and use a lighter weight. Give yourself a 10-second break. moving into our last set, last 10, you guys. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. For our last exercise, we're going to be doing assisted push-ups. So come into the push-up position, put your knees down on the mat and cross your calves over each other. From here, you're going to bring your arms close together to your body so we can target those triceps and do push-ups. If you can, do regular push-ups. Gentlemen, maybe you can do these push-ups regular, but just tuck your arms in close to your body so you can target those triceps. We've got 3 sets of 8. Let's get it, guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, make sure you're keeping your back nice and flat. Last 10-second break, you guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 3, this is our last 8. Don't give up, we're almost done. And that's the workout, you guys. I hope you enjoyed these exercises. Give them a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.